this is EVA ELSENIQUE from Forever Living Company. Just wanted to share with you our amazing products and our amazing company. Please watch this video. Thank you.
Cited in historical texts as far back as 2200 BC, aloe is one of the oldest botanicals on record. Aloe has been used for centuries to moisturize, condition, and soothe skin. But it's not just the historical references that make aloe a trusted ingredient for health and wellness. Aloe leaves are filled with nutrient-rich aloe vera gel that can be applied directly to the skin, making this plant a favorite at-home remedy right from the garden or kitchen counter to treat sunburns and minor scrapes. But did you know that aloe also has significant benefits when consumed? Aloe vera supports digestive health, promotes a healthy immune system, supports nutrient absorption, and boosts natural energy levels. With tremendous benefits for your health, inside and out, it's no wonder this powerful plant has stood the test of time. Yeah.